Welcome to your gateway to German opportunities. Germany is a great place to work, offering numerous jobs for skilled individuals. With its robust economy and high standard of living, Germany stands out as a top destination for professionals seeking to advance their careers. The German JobSeeker Visa is designed for those seeking qualified employment, allowing you to live in Germany for 6 months while you search for a job. This visa is a golden ticket for those who are determined to find their place in the German job market. It provides ample time to explore various job opportunities, attend interviews, and network with potential employers. If you find employment within this period, you can then obtain a work permit. This opens a fantastic opportunity to kickstart your career in Germany, a country that warmly welcomes skilled workers from across the globe. The work culture in Germany is known for its efficiency and innovation, making it an ideal environment for professional growth and development. The visa process is simple and straightforward, and we're here to guide you through every step. From gathering the necessary documents to preparing for your visa interview, we provide comprehensive support to ensure a smooth application process. Our goal is to make your transition to Germany as seamless as possible. This guide specifically caters to Indian citizens aspiring to work in Germany. Let's dive into how you can secure your German JobSeeker Visa. We'll cover everything from eligibility criteria to tips on finding the right job, ensuring you have all the information you need to embark on this exciting journey. So get ready to unlock a world of opportunities in Germany. Before you apply for the visa, it's crucial to ensure you're eligible. You'll need to meet specific requirements to qualify. First off, you should hold a bachelor's degree or an equivalent qualification in a field that is in demand in Germany. Additionally, you must demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay, covering housing, food, and other living expenses. Health insurance that provides coverage in Germany is also a requirement, ensuring you have access to healthcare. Lastly, maintaining a clean criminal record is essential for the safety and security of everyone in Germany. Now let's walk through the application process with this step-by-step guide. Firstly, you need to fill out an application form, which can be downloaded from the German Embassy's website. It's important to fill out this form completely and accurately. Next, book an appointment for an interview, which can be done online or by phone. Choose a date and time that works best for you. Once your appointment is set, make sure to go to the Visa Application Center for your interview. This is where you'll take the next steps towards securing your visa. Section 4. Gathering your documents. A checklist for success. When you go for your interview, take all the required documents. This includes your passport, visa application form, and photographs. You also need your educational and professional qualifications. You need proof of financial means, such as bank statements. Don't forget your health insurance and a cover letter. A cover letter explains why you want to work in Germany. It also highlights your skills and experience. Organize your documents neatly. This makes it easier for the visa officer to review your application. Make sure all your documents are in English or German. Section 5. Interview and beyond. What to expect? During the interview, the visa officer will ask you questions. They will ask about your background, your job search plans, and your reasons for choosing Germany. Answer the questions honestly and confidently. After your interview, you need to pay the visa fee. You can pay this fee online or at the Visa Application Center. The visa processing time may vary. It can take several weeks or even months. Section 6. Your German job hunt begins. Tips for success. Once you get your visa, start your job hunt. You can search for jobs online through recruitment agencies or by networking. Networking is important. Attend industry events and connect with people in your field. Be open to different opportunities. Germany welcomes skilled workers. With hard work and preparation, you can achieve your career goals in Germany. Good luck with your job search.